Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today, we will find the surface area of a sphere. What is a sphere? Here we have a sphere. A sphere is a three-dimensional shape made of all the points that are the same distance from a center point. Here we have the center point. A sphere is made of all the points that are the same distance from the center. And this would be the diameter. And here we have the radius. The radius is half of the diameter. Surface area of a sphere. The surface area of a sphere is the total area covering the outside of the sphere. Formula for surface area of a sphere. The formula is surface area equals 4 pi r squared. Or we can say 4 times pi times radius squared. Surface area equals 4 pi. In this case, the radius is 5 centimeters squared. So we can say the surface area equals 4 times pi, and we know 5 squared is 25 because 5 times 5 is 25. Surface area equals 4 times pi. Pi is approximately 3.14 times 25. If we multiply 4 times 3.14 times 25, we get 314. So the surface area of the sphere is 314 centimeters squared. Now let's find the surface area of this sphere. Remember, surface area equals 4 pi r squared. So we can write surface area equals 4 times pi. The radius is 10 centimeters squared. Surface area equals 4 times pi, and we know 10 squared is 10 times 10, which is 100. Surface area equals 4 times pi, which is approximately 3.14 times 100. If we multiply 4 times 3.14 times 100, we get 1,256. That means the surface area of this sphere is 1,256 centimeters squared.